And family thanking the Children's Hospital of Richmond at VCU after their 5-year-old son comes down with a rare side effect of COVID. DJ Brunson was vacationing with his family in Williamsburg when he began feeling ill, and the family didn't know what was going on until they made it to Richmond. John Hood has the story.
Health officials at the Children's Hospital of Richmond say when it comes to COVID-19, studies show that the impact on kids is minimal. But on rare occasions, children like DJ Brunson can experience what's called Miss C weeks after testing positive for coronavirus.
As a parent, as a mom, one of the most gut-wrenching experiences.
Yolanda Brunson says she's just grateful her son DJ is back to being a normal 5-year-old. A few months ago, she feared the worst. In October, DJ ended up at Children's Hospital of Richmond at VCU because of multi-system inflammatory syndrome. The illness associated with COVID-19 can damage the heart and lungs. DJ's mom says he showed no symptoms after testing positive for COVID in August.
He was his normal self. He was still running around, still playing, and the whole nine.
Health officials say the side effect takes weeks to show, and it's not something every child will have, but it's something parents should watch out for.
But if it's fever that persists, and then they can get a rash, it can be just diffuse redness, it can be little red spots. They can get red eyes, very red eyes.
DJ's parents say their son began experiencing those symptoms, including abdominal pain, on a trip to Williamsburg in October. Once they got to the hospital, DJ spent over a week recovering before being released. DJ has since been cleared by his doctor, and just last week the family returned to Richmond to thank the hospital staff who helped their son.
I made sure they have highlighting nurses. They're called Daisy Awards. I made sure that I filled out those nomination forms for the different nurses who just gave exceptional, impeccable bedside manner to DJ while he was there. The whole staff on 7 East was just phenomenal.
And the Children's Hospital of Richmond tells me just last week they treated at least 2 patients for Miss C, and they expect that number to go up after the recent surge of Omicron. On your side in Richmond, John Hood, NBC 12 News.
All right, thank you, John.